You sure you don't snore, bro?
Yes, now just go to bed.
Okay, good night.
Good night. Austin! Austin! Wake up!
Caleb, shut up! You're being too loud!